Everyone, August 24th. All right, a little bit late. Let's do this. Remove subfolders from the file system. Given a list of folder, return the folders after removing all subfolders in those folders. How many times have I said folders? You may return the answer in any order. It also rhymes. If a folder is located within another folder, it is called a subfolder. A subfolder of folder must start with folder followed by a slash. Wait, that's a slash, right? For example, AB is a subfolder of A, but B is not a subfolder of ABC. So AB, yeah, so a subfolder is something you have to extend the original. The format of the path is one or more concatenated strings of the form slash followed by one or more lowercase English letters. For example, this and this are valid paths, but empty string or just a slash are not. So we want to return the folders after removing all subfolders. So we just want to find all the subfolders. So in this one, we can see that A, right? And then we have AB, which is a subfolder, so we should remove AB. And then we have CD. I'm already writing a trie, And we have CDE, so that one is gone. But we have CF, so we have A, CD, and CF. So yeah, I do believe we do a trie, right? We do a trie. And yeah, so like look at this. We have A, and then A, anything extend does not exist. Wait, hold on. A, B, C, and A, B, D are both subfolder because we have A and then it extend to so they're A and then we'd extend somewhere else, and that's considered, yeah, because A is the end, right? A is an end. Here, this is an end. C is not the end, so we can produce another one. So if during traversing of the trie, you hit something that's the end, that means you cannot go that path anymore, and then you have to just skip it, right? Skip it. Okay. So we build a trie. Here's the question: can we do this without trie? So we know trie can solve this problem, but can we do it without trie? Without trie. Now we do know. You know what? Let's do the trie first, right? We do the trie, and if we have time or we have the Ghana, then we try it without trie. So, okay, so with trie, we need to provide a trie node. That's usually how I do it. For the trie node, we need a map of a character of trie node children, right? What else? We need children, and we need a call it Boolean value is and. Okay, and then we say trie node. We don't have to provide anything. Yeah, let's just not provide anything. And say this dot children equal to new hash map. And this dot is and is false. Okay, so that's the trie node. And now what we're gonna do, we'll have a list of string res new array list. Okay, and then we're gonna go one by one, and as we do it, we'll create a trie. No, we have to sort it first. I just realized. Yeah, you have to sort it first because if you handle CDE first, then you get CDE, right? Then you will keep both. So we need to sort based on not the length, but the number of slashes in it. Now, how do we do that? How do we do that? How do we sort them with a fast? Like we can. I mean, each one is 100, so. All right, let's do this. List of. Oh my God, string this. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Split it. And say for string s of folder. That's really bad. Hold on, let me see. Java string count char. Again, how do I count the number of occurrence of a char? That is stupid. There's no one way, like using replace, using stream. I don't like it. I don't know. You know what? Let me not do this. Let me do array start sort folder. Okay. Now we say AB, and we'll do a real one. Okay, AB. So both are strings. So we just need to count the number of. So we can do this. Private int count char. So we'll give a string and we give a char, right? And then we say int res equal to 0 for char c of s dot to char array if c is equal to target res plus plus, and then we'll return res. Ooh, this is actually okay. This is actually not that bad. So we can say integer dot compare, right? We do count char a slash, right? And this is count char b slash. So now we can sort them by the number of slashes. So the smaller number of slash goes to the front, bigger one goes to the end. Okay, I don't know what's the it's gonna take time, okay? Because O(n) log n plus we have to, so it's O(n) is this much, log n, you know, we ignore, and then we have to do 100. Damn. I don't know. And you have to do it over. I don't know. Do we have a better way? Maybe we can do a int, because I just need to. Yeah, I feel like this one we have to call this function repeatedly. Right? Each comparison you have to. Let's just do it this way. Let's see how it goes. So we don't have to do this, right? And then of folder, right? Now for each one we can build a trie, and we do need a root. So trie node root equal to new trie node. Okay. And then we say trie node equal to root. Okay, now we have the s we'll split it. How do I split? Java string split. Can I try it myself? Yes, I can. A, B, C. Let's not do this. Let's split on this. Does it work? Yep, it works. This is good. Like a playground for Java. Awesome. Okay, so what we're gonna say is for string f actual folder of s.split okay, and then we say if, right, if node dot children dot contain key f. Ooh, that is not a character. That should be a string. Okay, so if it contains character, but it's okay. So it's two scenarios. If it contains character, right? If children can, if it does not contain character, or right, or it contains character but node. Oh, hold on. If it does not contain character, then we just continue. If it contains character, then we need to check if that is the last character. So we go to the character, right? Okay. If the node children does not contain, then node dot children dot set f new try node, and node equal to node dot children dot get f. Right, that's that. Else, if it contains, then we need to say we need to get out, right? So else if node dot children dot get f, because it contains f, dot is end. If it's not the end, right? If it's not the end, then node equal to node dot children dot get f, right? If it's not the end, then we can move on to the next one. That's okay, right? That's okay, because we might split out. Else that it is the end, then we say we need to have a flag. Boolean should ignore false, and then we here say should ignore equal to true, and I'll break it, right? I'll break this. So come out if not should ignore. If I don't ignore it, I cannot ignore it, then we are done, right? And then we shall say first of all, node dot is end shall equal to true, right? Because we completed the current try. And at the same time, we shall add res.add the current s, add to the answer, because this one we can add to the result. Right? Yeah, I think it should be right. And if it should ignore, we just ignore it. Right? We ignore it, and we won't go down, because we go down to the part where it is end, then we stop. Right? Then we stop. Okay. All right. What is this? String is undefined for the map string trie node. Huh? Wait, what? The method set string type is undefined for the type of map string trie node. Is not set? Oh wait, hold on. What's the function for a map dot? Children's hash map. Oh, put. Damn. It's put, right? There we go. I forgot it's put. And now I return res. Okay, let's try. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I only want to do one problem today. I'm hungry. I need to eat. Okay, it's correct. I mean, I know it's correct. Now what I worried is it's gonna be slow. But if it passes, I actually don't worry too much. 1, 2, 3, 3. Use try. But need to sort folder by the number of folders first. Okay. All right, let's see if it works. It does. Like I know it does, but it's kind of slow. So there is something that I can do. For example, I can do an int array. Okay, int array folder levels. New int. We say folder.length, right? And then we say for s for string s of folder. No, that's not gonna work. I0 I smaller than folder.length I plus plus, right? We can say folder levels I equal to count char folder I, and this is just gonna be this. Then we sort them, and this comparison can be done by ooh, I cannot, because when sorted, oh, I cannot. I thought I can predefine it, but then you don't know what A and B is. A and B are the strings. It's not the indices. Which is fine if you think about it. Right? Which is fine, because we don't need it. I can produce folders, right? And also indices. We sort indices. Okay? Yeah, we sort indices. Now we create two arrays. Indices I equal to I, right? And then we'll sort this indices. Right? We sort indices A and B, and then compare. We say folder levels A and folder levels B. Method sort any array is not. Oh, wait, hold on. What? For the arguments int. Huh? No type A, no type B. Hold a second. How do I sort again? Java custom sort int array. I have to use this. Have to use box stream. Dang. Okay, so we have to use integer. Mismatch, of course, because I do integer. Okay, now we can do this integer compare, right? So, and we don't go through this. We say int I of indices, because it's being sorted, right? Now we just go a string s equal to folder I, and everything else should be the same. Okay, let's take a look, see if it's gonna be any faster. I personally, I don't think so. I think it'll just be the same. Actually, I took it back. Maybe it is faster. Let me just use auxiliary array to store the folder levels so that we don't need to compute it repeatedly while sorting. Let's see. Does this give us a faster time? It does. Actually, it does a lot, which is great. It's good. In fact, I want to use that as a second method. Okay. Now we have to delete all of those. Okay, then we do this as a solution number 2. Ooh, okay, so this one I cannot include. This one has to be 2. Right, and we don't include this. 55, so we got a 40%. Yeah, I feel like there's a better way. Let's take a look. I think it's a good problem, but ooh, use set. Use sorting. Use try, but you have to sort too. Oh, it does not sort. Really? How do you do it without sort? And this is using sorting. Sort folders alphabetically. Alphabetically. What? Okay, let's check to start with. Alphabetically. Each folder name is unique. Contain lowercase letters. I don't understand this alphabetical. How does this achieve anything? First folder. Oh, that is actually true. Because alphabetically, oh my god. Oh my god. My lord, okay. Yeah, this will work as well. No, we don't need this. Did you delete rest as well? Damn. Yep. Silly me. That was a really silly mistake. That was a silly mistake. Completely unaware. Doesn't matter. I guess a little bit longer, but yeah, it's. Yeah. I don't know why it's longer. I don't know. I thought this one should be a string comparison-ish thing. All right, so this is using try and without sort. How do you do that using try without sort? So build a try. Okay, so they build a try first, and then they iterate again. Ah, I see. They build a try first, and then they iterate again. I only iterate it again, but I need to sort it first. I don't know. And call it sorted on login, and then this is on. On times L. Yeah, on times L. on times L for the try, and then on login for the other one. ONL login, yeah, ONL login. But if you do the other sorting, then it can be, because that's on login. It's on times L, onl, n login, and nl. Yeah. Yep. That is, it's not length. It's not the length. Okay. Very good. All right, I'll end it right here. 30 minutes. Perfect. See you guys tomorrow. Adios.